Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing a clean, well-lit workspace and confirming the watch is stable. Use a soft pad and a magnetic tray. This prevents lost screws. Once done, remove the bracelet with the spring bar tool and flip the watch. Make sure to use the correct case opener for a screw back or press fit back. Apply steady pressure and rotate slowly. If quartz, power down or remove the battery first to avoid shorting. This gets you into the movement safely and quickly. You now focus on the crown and stem. Understanding the release is key. Once open, orient the movement so you can see the detent screw or release button near the stem. Make sure to gently pull the crown to neutral so you don't stress gears. With a loop, hold the stem steady and depress the release while pulling the crown out at a controlled angle. If you meet resistance, stop and reevaluate the release, forcing risks bending the stem or damaging the clutch. You finish by carefully withdrawing the stem straight out and inspecting both stem and crown for wear. Replace if necessary. Once the new crown or repaired key is fitted, insert the stem aligned to the movement and push until you hear or feel the release click. Make sure the crown screws down or engages winding and setting positions correctly. Finally, reseal the case with a fresh gasket and press or screw the back per spec. If water resistance fails, troubleshoot gasket seating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.